Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional, not in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 4th, 2023. No, it's the additional of the weekend edition. Yes, Saturday, December the 2nd, 2023. Because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the additional of the weekend edition. And we have here three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the jigsaw Sudoku with 1 star. First, let me start with the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number. Zoom this. This will be number. Let me see which number it will be. 7561. Yeah, 7561. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one was a lot. 27 printed digits. Actually, not digits. Those are letters. And unique letters: the K, the N, the A, the L, the I, the E, the R, the T, and the U I can use. And the goal is to solve this word in the middle column. It's a Dutch word. After I've solved this, I will translate this in English. Alright. And for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can, which letter I can use. Yeah, U. We have a U in this row, U in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the U should be here or there. We have a U in this column, no U there. U should be there. U. E in this row, E in the second row, so the third row. The only place left, the E should be there. Alright. Okay. E in the first column, E in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We have an E in this row, no E there. E should be there. Need an E here. Need an E there. And I need E in this column, E in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We have an E in this row, no E there. E should be there. E in this row, E in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We have an E in the last column, so no E there. E should be here. E in this column, E in the last column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the E should be here or there. We have an E in this row, no E there. E in the row below, no E there. Only place left for the E should be here. And all the E's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter E. Alright. I in this column, I in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the I should be here. I. Oh well, we have an I here. Yeah. Need an I here. K there. Need an L there. L here. Mm-hmm. Need a U here. U in the first row, U in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only three places left for the U should be here, here, or there. We have a U in the third column, no U there. U in the second column, no U there. The only place left for the U should be here. The K, the L, L, and A. Yes, 4 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the L and the A. We have a L and A in this column, so no L and A in these 2 boxes. L and A goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. L and A, L and A. We have L in the third column, no L there. L should be here and A goes in there. So 2 missing letters now in this big square. 4 letters, N is missing. And R is missing. N and R. N and R. N and R. Number. Oh, no. We have a R here. The T is missing then. Yeah, the T. And T. Alright, almost made a mistake. So we have T in this column, T in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the T should be there. So 2 missing letters in the third column for the letters. I is missing. We have an I in this row, so no I there. I should be here. And the N is missing here. Yep. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters A is missing. Well, we have A in this column, no A there. A should be there. And the letter R is missing. 1 letter is missing in the second column. For the letter I is missing. K should be here. And I need a N. N could be everywhere. And R could be everywhere. Well, 4 missing letters in this big square. 1 of the missing letters is the R. We have an R in this row, no R in these 2 boxes. R in the last column, no R in that box. So 1 box left for the R in this big square. Should be here. 2 missing letters in this row. For letters A is missing. We have an A in this column, no A there. A should be here. And the N is missing. Need an N here. And need an A here. We have an A. Yeah. 3 missing letters in this big square. 2 of those missing letters are the N and A. With N and A in the middle row, so no N and A in this box. N and A goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 letter is missing in this big square. For the letter T. 2 missing letters in the middle row for letters. R is missing. And the letter L is missing. R and L. We have an L in this column, no L there. L should be here and R goes there. We have an L in this column, L in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for L should be there. You are here. Well. Need a K here. And I need an I here. Yep. three missing letters in this big square. Two of those missing letters are the K and I. We have K and I in this column, so no K and I in this box. K and I goes in those two boxes as a pair. K and I, K and I. We have I in the middle column, no I there. I should be here, and the K goes there. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter T. Alright, now. No T here. TT. And the letter K. Yep. We have a K in this column. K in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the K should be here. Four missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the T. We have a T in this column, so no T in these three boxes. One box left for the T. Should be there. So two missing letters in the middle column for letters. R is missing and N is missing. R and N. Well, I know what the word is. Cannot fill this yet. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. T is missing. We have a T in this row, no T there. T should be there. And the letter U is missing. Yeah, U should be here. Three missing letters in the last column. One of the missing letter in the last column is the letter U. We have a U in this row, no U there. U in the row below, so no U there. So the only place left for the U should be there. Alright, so two missing letters in this column for letters. N is missing. And A is missing. N and A, N and A. We have A in this row, no A there. A should be here, and N goes there. R and N, we have N now in this row, no N there. N should be here. And R goes there. Well, I've solved this in 12 minutes. And the word is uitklaren. Uitklaren. In English, clear out. Yeah, clear out. Well. Alright, let me continue. Need a R. Need a K here. R and a K. Here. Need a K. No. K. Need a A. Need a A here. And need a N here. A and N. Well, need a T. Two missing letters in this row for letters. T is missing. And a K is missing. T and a K. T and a K. We have a T in this column. No T there. T should be here. K goes there. K in this row. K in the row below. So the last row. The only place left for K should be here. One letter is missing in this row for a letter. R is missing here. Need a R here. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. R is missing. And L is missing. R and L. We have R in this column. No R there. R should be here. And L goes there. One letter is missing in this big square for letter. N is missing here. Yeah. N and A, no, I cannot. K. Yeah. K in this column, K in the last column, so the column between. The only two places left for the K should be here or there. We have a K in this row, no K there. K should be there. So two missing letters in this column for the letters N and A, N and the A. We have an A in this row, no A there. A should be here, and the N goes there. So now one letter is missing in this big square for letter N. A and N, we have an N now, so this box should be an A. A and N, we have an A in this third row, so this box should be an N. 2 missing letter O. And then the T, we have an N in this second row, so no N there. N should be here. And the T goes there. Alright. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters, T is missing, and the letter... letter L is missing. T and L, T and L. We have a T in this row, no T there. T should be here. L goes there. And if I know 2 letters in this big square. For letters, A is missing, and R is missing. A and R. We have an A in this row, no A there. A should be here, and R goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, so we'll do the thing. So, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Last puzzle in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.